So if you clicked on this video, I'm assuming you have a Sony a7s and you're having some problems putting it on the tripod mount with the thread. We're having the same problem. We've had this camera for about 1.5 years, 2 years now, and yeah, the thread is just about gone. It catches a little bit, but not all the way. It gets stuck. Sometimes you can power through it, but pretty much what we've done is throughout the year, we've either tightened it too tight or we've used too many different screws, and we've basically busted this thread completely. I can show you when I put in the screw, you'll see how far it gets in. It doesn't get very far. Not to mention, so now if I go slow, I can sort of get it, but yeah, it gets stuck. It doesn't go in very further. It's supposed to go a lot further than that. This being our main camera that we shoot on, that's a problem. And when we went to look up how to solve this problem online, which other people have, it's a little ambivalent. It's not the easiest way to fix it. No one has one exact answer. We saw one answer to drill this out and add new threads into it. That seems like quite the process and something that I didn't really want to do. Seems like a little bit too much work. So I did a little bit more digging, and surprisingly there's not a ton of info on this, but I did find a replacement for it, which is really what I wanted. Also called a repair place, and they quoted me $196 plus shipping. And they're located in California, across the country. So, I mean, $200 to replace the thread straight through the Sony website. I'll show you what it looks like here. It's just this little piece. And I think it was right around $12. And it took 3 days to get here. But it's a Phillips head. That's all you need. And we're gonna just unscrew all of these on this plate right here. So let's start with that. Once you have all these popped off, all I have to do is, oh, there it goes. Now what you have is one screw holding on this metal piece right there. Now be careful, because this is gonna open up the inside of your camera, and you wanna be careful with all the components in there. Now that you have this piece off, this is the top piece, there's your thread. Here's the back. What you're gonna wanna do is, this has 3 more screws in it. We're gonna unscrew these. Screws off here. I'm just gonna remove this piece, pops right out. And this is the piece that we got. So this is the broken thread one. Let's see if you can tell there. No, not really. So I'm gonna place that to the side and grab one of the new ones. Pop it on, make sure you keep it the right side up, not put it on this side or else it won't go back in. So I'm just gonna replace those 3 screws that I just unscrewed. Back on, they're good to bring back in the camera. It's gonna go on this way. So find that one screw that we set aside, and it's gonna be a recessed piece right here that attaches this metal piece on. All right, we have officially replaced. Wow. And you can see how much closer that's supposed to be from when I first screwed it in. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If this helped you, please share this video with anybody out that you know that has this problem. Put it in a forum, put it in a thread, share it around so other people can be helped by this problem. We could not figure it out for a while, so I'm so happy that we did, and it was a very, very cheap solution, and we even got an extra one in case this happens again. Hopefully this helps you, and if it did, give this video a like. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you want. We make vlogs and other behind the scenes content of our business. Thank you so much for watching again. Peace.